5/6 divided by 10. Copy first fraction down. Divide by. Whole number convert to the improper fraction. 10 over 1. Again, I'm going to copy first fraction down. Division I have to change to the multiplication and find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which I have 1 over 10. You have to check if you can reduce any numerator with any denominator. I have 5 and I have 10. I can reduce 5 by 5, and 10 I can also reduce by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1 over 6 times 1 over 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now I can perform the multiplication. Anytime you multiply fractions, you're supposed to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 6 times 2 is 12. So this is the answer to my problem.